What if I told you there was a delicious way to reduce your carbon footprint by 73%, improve your health, increase your life expectancy, and help prevent 150 million animals from being killed every day? Most of us love the taste, smell, and social experience of eating meat, cheese, fish, and eggs. We are creatures of habit, and eating is an emotional adventure we go on several times a day. I ate meat until I was 28 years old. So why am I encouraging you to make plants the hero on your plate? When I considered going vegetarian, I dreaded the idea of replacing tasty meat with bland salads. I was, however, pleasantly surprised and found that I could still enjoy delicious plant-based alternatives to the foods that we love and know. The three main reasons that most people eat less animal products are: number one, their health; number two, the environment; and number three, animal welfare. There are seldom health debates around quitting smoking, drinking, and drugs, but reducing meat requires a much deeper conversation. So let's get started.